Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be trying the Florigon Mango. I think we may have done Florigon before in the past, but this is a really nice looking one, and it smells right.
Ooh, it smells good.
We'll see how this compares to what we did before.
It smells better on the outside.
Well, it smells more
Aromatic.
fruity on the outside and resinous on the inside, but
We picked these up at PanTropic, John Painter's place on Pine Island.
well, let's see how John Painter grows a Florigon. Ooh, that's good. That's really good. Very sweet, no fiber. A little bit of an orangey flavor in there.
A little apricot or something else too.
Yeah, I could say some apricot flavor.
And is this one of the early mangoes?
I believe Florigon's supposed to be one of the early ones. Supposedly Florigon is a seedling of Saigon,
Really?
which we've had Saigon
Florigon.
before and it was really good. And then other people say it's not a seedling of Saigon, I don't know. That's really good. That's got a very sweet,
Pleasant,
tangy,
Light. It's a light mango.
yeah. Just a hint of resin in there, but mostly it's fresh, clean, sweet, citrusy.
And a little floral flavor. Like everything is
Yeah.
light. All the flavors in it are very light, which is
Yeah.
kind of nice after having some really strong mangoes.
No. I'm pretty sure this is better than the Florigon that we did before, because I didn't remember before the Florigon being one that I would consider putting in. Now, John Painter knows his mangoes, so he did a good job on this one. More resin near the skin.
And at the very bottom tip, it seems like. We're eating too many good mangoes, and I don't know that we have room for this many more trees.
No, that's true. We probably don't. We'll just keep getting them from John. But this is,
Yeah, like I think I'd be good with 8
Yeah.
of these and pick up some.
just very good, clean, fresh tasting, sprightly.
Yeah, it's for like a dessert. Like this wouldn't make a good mango salsa. It's like way too light and
Yeah.
like floral for that.
Yeah, it just have a nice, clean, florally type flavor to it. So yeah, that's really good. I'd give it 8.5.
Yeah.
I think. So I wouldn't mind having a tree in the ground of that. And I think unless I'm mistaken, one of the things that it's known for is being a really early mango, which is always nice to have spread out early, mid-season, and late season mangoes. So yeah, that's pretty good, and I would eat that one again.
Yep.
Well, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.